First on Fox tonight, it's a dire update from Salem Health. The CEO says the hospital is not only full, it is 30 beds short in the emergency department.
And to make matters even worse, it only has 9 beds left in the ICU as of this morning. Fox 12's CAMILA ORTI shares the latest from the health system CEO, who says they have never dealt with anything of this magnitude before.
We heard these updates in a Salem Chamber of Commerce meeting earlier today. The Salem Health CEO telling members that COVID is hammering the hospital to the point that they had to put a 26-foot refrigerated truck on standby in case the death toll keeps climbing. Salem Health's chief nursing officer says their hospital is dealing with the highest number of COVID cases in the state right now. 21 COVID-positive patients inside the 30-bed ICU, 16 of them on ventilators.
And I will tell you quite factually that those 16 are not going to make it. That's the reality of what we're dealing with here.
President and CEO CHERYL WOLFE getting frank with chamber members Thursday about how serious the situation has become.
We've been holding patients in the emergency room, upwards of 30 patients that we don't have a bed for.
She says surgeries are getting canceled because of the lack of beds, and the hospital rented a refrigerated truck in case the death toll keeps rising.
We're losing a lot, and we're losing people that primarily are unvaccinated.
According to an updated model forecast from OHSU, the state's peak in COVID-19 hospitalizations isn't expected until next week.
We've never seen anything like this. We didn't see this at the beginning of the pandemic.
WOLFE told the group that the Delta variant accounts for 94% of the cases in their ICU. The hospital also reporting that 79 of the 93 current COVID patients are unvaccinated. The median age for patients dropping to 52.
The thing doesn't care if you're old or you're young. It cares how your body reacts to it and how your lungs shut down. That's what it cares about, not your age, not anymore.
That refrigerated truck, by the way, is not on the Salem Health campus right now. The CEO said it's off location and ready in case they need it. Now, in order to help with the overwhelming number of patients, WOLFE said they've hired an additional 150 nursing staff members, and they're expecting 160 Oregon National Guard members to arrive next week. In Salem, CAMILA ORTI, Fox 12 Oregon.